So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to build a buyer's list free and fast. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if you happen to stumble across my video and you're looking to make some extra money online from home or with affiliate marketing, you definitely come to the right place. So on this channel, that's what we do. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and I can show you how to make some extra dinero online. So be sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually build a buyer's list free and fast. We're actually going to be talking about two different ways. One way that you probably already aware of, but I want to just review it really quick. And then I want to show you guys a different way, something that maybe you guys haven't thought about before, that you can actually build a buyer's list. It's going to be free and it can be extremely fast and extremely profitable for you down the line. So it's going to jump right into the video. All right, guys, so it's going to jump right into it. So a lot of marketers, when they talk about building a buyer's list for free, they're essentially talking about, creating a sales funnel and promoting a low ticket offer to those people that you're marketing to. So essentially you would have a sales funnel where you have a squeeze page and a low ticket offer, maybe somewhere between $7 and $10. You would actually pay for traffic. Maybe you run a campaign and you pay $50 or $100 for that traffic. And the idea is to get enough opt-ins and get enough people to actually purchase your low ticket offer so that you actually make enough money to break even. So if you spent $50 on traffic, you want to make $50 or more in sales so that you actually break even. And now you have all of those emails on your list. You broke even from the paid traffic, and now they're actually on your list where you can follow up with those individuals over and over again and hopefully sell them other products or back end high ticket offers. And that's where you're going to really make your back end profits. So that's one way to do it. And that's definitely one of my favorite ways to, build a buyer's list for free. But I also want to show you a different method in which you can actually start generating a buyer's list and you don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to run paid traffic at all. And I want to show you guys this concept so maybe you can deploy it in your business so that you can actually get some super targeted buyer traffic. You can do this fast. You can also do this free. So it's going to jump to my computer screen so I can show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So I'm here at a website called muncheye.com, muncheye.com. And if you're not familiar with this website, this is a website in which there are a ton of product launches, notifications on this website. So affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, a lot of the vendors, they'll actually post their products on this website to let other affiliates know when they're going to launch, so you can actually get kind of like the firsthand knowledge of what the product's going to be about and get all the information you need to know, review access and tools and everything else that you would need to actually promote the product. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be utilizing some of these individuals to help us build our buyer's list, again, free and fast. And I actually just kind of learned this method from a webinar that I was on here recently. And I actually post that webinar in the description below so you guys can kind of watch the entire process of how this works. But I'm going to give you guys a synopsis of it. But essentially, there's launches every single day on these networks, and basically what you would need to do is find a product launch or find multiple product launches. Is what you really want to do is you want to click on any of these product launches, and essentially all you're going to do is you're going to contact any of these vendors, right? And what you're going to want to do is get their contact information, and you're going to want to ask them, can you leave a bonus in their members area? So here's the concept, guys. So a lot of these launches are happening every single day, and people are launching and they're making products. So the idea is to leave a offer, leave some bonus training inside these vendors' membership areas. And all you would basically need to do is, go to the JV page. You would go down and you'll find like their email or their Facebook or some way of contacting them, Skype. And then you would just say, hey, my name is John. I have some training. I noticed that you're launching on November 10th with this product. I wanted to know if you would let me, give this training material as a bonus in your members area. So what actually happened, if they would say yes to that, is you would then be able to paste a banner or some sort of sales funnel within their members area as a bonus. But then now these people are actually opting into your sales funnel, and your sales funnel can be some free material, free training, free video series, and then you can also upsell them on whatever you want to upsell them on. So essentially what you can do is there are tons of products here, and you can actually go product by product by product by product and email the vendor and say, hey, I have some training and I would like to leave it as a bonus for your product launch that's coming up. Now, in order for this to happen, there's two things that you're going to need. A, you're actually going to need some good, decent training, because if they're going to offer your training as a bonus in their members area, it has to be good. So you want to definitely get obviously some good training done, but then you want to actually get like some good cover graphics or something like that done on Fiverr. So this was something that a project that I was working on in the background. So this is kind of like a bundle video training where it says your first affiliate sale. So this is something that I would offer to like one of these vendors and just say, hey, I have this awesome video training that you can offer to your buyers, the people that buy your product, as a bonus. So the people that when they buy the product and they get into the members area, there will be a bonus section. And then my banner would be in there as like your first affiliate sale in the bonus section. And then when people click on that banner, they would go to my squeeze page, and then they're opting into my funnel, and now I have access to those buyers. And we know that if they're buyers, they bought once, they'll definitely buy again. And those are very valuable emails because you know that they are a buyer. So that's the first thing. You got to have the actual training. The second thing you're going to need is you're going to need consistency, right? So in order to get somebody to say yes, you're probably going to get a bunch of no's, but you'll be surprised because of course you're going to have some super gurus in here that's not even going to give you the time of day, but you have a lot of people that are just brand new to the industry, that are just launching, that may not have all the super guru affiliate friends that would love to have your product in their members area as a bonus and offer it as a bonus. They're going to be like, cool, why not? I'll offer your stuff as a bonus. And that's why you want to make sure that whatever you're offering is some good training, right? So I would say if you're going to do this, literally go down the line and contact every single vendor in here. You get your training together, you get your banners, you get your thing looking polished and crisp, and then you literally go vendor by vendor, vendor by vendor, vendor by vendor, and say, hey, I know you're launching on the 10th of November. Can I put my training in your bonus area? Hey, such and such, I know you're launching on November the 20th. Can I put my training information inside your member area? And you just keep doing it, you keep doing it, keep doing it. And you'll probably end up getting a couple different yeses. And then again, once they say yes, you're going to put your banner into their members area, and their buyers are going to be able to opt into your page, which is going to be super powerful because they'll probably end up buying from you as well. Now, for those of you that feel like you can't put together like a whole training series, and by the way, it doesn't have to be anything elaborate, but if you don't feel like you can put together like a whole training series together, you can put together a nice case study. And what I want to show you guys is something that you can actually do. So I just went over to my YouTube channel, and you can create like a 10 to 15 minute video of a case study that you did, showing results of something that you did, something that you implemented, and then showing like the results of it. So here's a video that I did a while back, a year ago, where it says 270 clicks, 17% conversions, and 46 sales. So I could create just a banner just for this one video and just say, case study, 270 clicks, 46 sales. See how I did it, right? And then those buyers that are in those members areas can click on that banner, and then they can watch my 9-minute video of me showing them how I was able to generate 46 sales with only 270 clicks, right? So you don't have to have like this long, big, elaborate training where you have like all this big members area or anything like that. You could just have like little case studies. I have multiple videos on here where I show you where I made, hundreds of dollars in like 10 minutes, or, how I made $1,000 in 24 hours or something like that. And you show them that process and you create a banner for that. And then again, you have an opt-in page that those people opt in, and then they see that case study. But the idea is to just get something together that you can offer, and literally again, just go and contact as many of these vendors as possible and ask them, can you offer a training bonus, a video case study in their bonus section for their buyers, so that they get the benefit from having something additional to offer to their buyers, their members, as well as you get the benefit of getting that buyer lead opting into your page and giving the opportunity to sell your products and services. So I hope that made sense, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button. My name is John from JohnMcNeil.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.